Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a very simple website using Notepad and HTML. First we're going to start off by opening up our Notepad. Notepad is a universal text editor, so it can script in any language that you choose, as long as you have some other program that can understand what you have written. Today we're just going to write in HTML, simple HTML, make a very simple website with one line of text in the center. We'll just get a feel of how to start out writing a website. In later episodes I'll start improving upon that aspect. Okay, we have our Notepad open. I'm going to start off by opening up a bear skeleton that I prepared before. Oops, wrong. I've prepared this little skeleton beforehand so that things will go more smoothly when we start. But basically what this is the doc type skeleton of a very basic start off point of writing the first website. I'm going to start and explain what everything is one by one so you guys can understand. This here is just a stamp that the WC3, the people who have come up with a general consensus of what and how a website should be formatted. That's the stamp they want on every single website. So you don't need to have it, but we'll just include it just to keep it as our habit. It's always good to have this because no one's going to come attack you if you don't. And if you have it, it's always good too. So yeah. This tag, these things are called tags. The open angle bracket with HTML and head and title, those are called opening tags. They're called opening. I know they're opening tags because they don't have the forward slash in front of them. If they had the forward slash in front of the word like this, I would know that it's a closing tag. Opening tags and closing tags just tell the browser where to start and where to stop reading what you have in between the tags. That's all it is. Making a website is like writing a letter. You tell that it's HTML, it's a hypertext markup language document, and then you start with your head where you put in your title and other stuff that we'll get into when we're making more fancy and more difficult and creative websites. We'll put more things in the head, but for now we'll just have a title. So yeah, title, you tell what your website's about, and it'll be displayed in the title bar up here whenever you're opening up a website. And then you have the body where you put your main meat of what the website's about and what you're supposed to show. And then you close your body as you close in a letter, and then you tell the browser that's reading your document that you've stopped your HTML document. That's what the closing HTML tag. So without further ado, let's start. I'm just going to name this website a simple little website, and I'll have the bear skeleton also and as a download in the description box below. So you guys can start off with this also if you want. So we've done the title, a simple little. Now we're going to go into the body. We're going to make a centered little piece of text. We're going to write the tag center so that the browser knows to put the text in the center. So whatever is in between center and close center, that will be in the center of your screen. So we're going to write a small paragraph. This is a very simple little website. I'm just going to copy and paste this guy. So, oops, let's turn on word wrap so it looks better. There we go, this is good enough. And we're going to close up the paragraph with an angle bracket and then close P. I'm going to make this a space so it looks a little bit better. And there we go. We're done. First website done. As far as the scripting goes. Now we need to open this guy up in a small little, in our browser actually. And this is a very important part. We need to save this and give it a name actually first. A simple little website. Now this comes a very important part. We need to put down HTML so that the computer knows that this file is a HTML file, not just a text file. If we saved it without the HTML, it would be just a text file, and it would open up like this. This is obviously not looking like a website. So we need to save it as HTML. We're going to hit save. We're going to go down. We're going to go into our folder that we saved it in, and we see that it's here, and it's a HTML document. We're going to open that up with Word. I just set this up. So I'm just going to set this. Actually, ask me later. Once you go somewhere else. But boom, it's centered. And we have our little paragraph here. We wanted to do the centering style, so it did. And there we go. Our first little website done. This is what I hope you like this tutorial. We're going to, of course, this is just episode 1. We're going to expand on this thing. We're going to go in and hopefully in a few weeks we'll have a very good looking professional website that we can go and host somewhere on the web.